Hello everyone, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we will discuss about do while loop in C language. This do while loop is also a variant of while loop. It is also called as exit control loop because it is going to check the condition at ending. It will execute the block once even before checking the condition is true. It will execute the code block before checking if the condition is true. So even if the condition is not met, it is going to print the statements at least once. And the alternate name for do while loop is also called as post test loop. And it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. The syntax for do while is, first of all, we need to initialize the variables. So initialization, do, and we have to print the statements here. Updation. At last, we are going to check the condition. If you observe here, in while loop, we are going to check the condition at starting itself. Whereas in do while, first of all, we will print the statement and then we are going to check the condition. So in do while, even if the condition is false, we are going to print the statement at least once. That's why it is called as exit control loop, because we are going to check the condition at last. Let me explain with the two examples. So example number 1. If the condition is true, I'm going to include the header files like hash include stdio.h, and every program execution starts from main method. I'm assigning the value of a equal to 10 and b equal to 15. Initialization has been performed. 2, we have to print the statements. So I'm just printing the value of a. And the next step is updation. So a plus plus. At last, we need to check condition while a is less than or equal to b. If you observe here, the value of a equal to 10 and b equal to 15. First, it enters into loop and it is going to print the value of a as 10. Next, it gets incremented and the value becomes 11. We will check the condition here. 11 is less than or equal to 15. 11 less than 15. Condition satisfied. And we'll enter the loop and print the value of a is 11. Likewise, it is going to print till 15 because the condition is satisfied. Let me run this in online compiler. You can observe the output here. The value of a equal to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Because the given condition is satisfied. That's why it generated the numbers from 10 to 15. So the output for this program is a equal to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let me give another example. I'm going to do the same program just by interchanging the value of a and then b. Now I'm assigning the value of a to 15 and the value of b to 10. If you observe 15 is less than or equal to 10, 15 less than 10, the condition becomes false. But before checking the condition itself, we are going to print the value of A. So even if the condition is false, in do while minimum one time execution will be done. So the output for this program is A equal to 15. So this do while is going to execute at least once even if the condition is false. Let me run this in online compiler. You can see the output here, A equal to 15. So this is about do while. Thank you, friends.